Chapter 26 Sita's Defiance. Hanuman observed the graceful and sorrowful woman seated beneath the great Asoka tree. The sun rose, and with it arrived Ravana, the demon king, followed by a dozen of his consorts, many of them stumbling along, still intoxicated from the excesses of the night before. "My beauty, how has your night been? Have my Rakshasis kept you good company? Are you finally ready to end your suffering and embrace the splendor of my bedchamber?" The woman remained silent. "Your beauty eclipses even the rising sun. My heart desires you more than any woman. My offer stands, princess. Be my queen, and all the riches and luxuries of Lanka shall be yours." The woman placed a blade of grass between her and the demon king, and looked down at the blade. "Repent, demon king. Return me to my husband and beg his forgiveness. Your lust for me invites your doom, like a moth rushing towards a fire." Ravana's eyes flared with rage. "Foolish woman, you have 2 months remaining to accept my offer. Continue to deny me then, and my Rakshasas shall cook you for my breakfast." Ravana stormed off, with his consorts scurrying behind him. The noble woman broke down in tears, and she looked up at the tree branches, contemplating ending her life using the braid of her hair. But then, from the shadows of the Asoka tree, a gentle voice spoke. "Princess, my name is Hanuman of the Vanaras. Are you the daughter of mythical?" Sita was startled, and at first suspected a Rakshasa trick. But the radiance of the soulful Vanara melted her heart, and from his hands he produced a small, glinting object, a ring inscribed with Ram's name. Sita's eyes widened. "I am the daughter-in-law of Dasharath, foremost among the kings of the world. I am the daughter of King Janaka of Mithila. I am the wife of Ram, the prince of Ayodhya, and I am Sita, the queen imminent of Ayodhya." Hanuman, with tears of joy, knelt before the princess. "Prince Ram grieves for you at every moment. Climb on my back, princess. I will carry you across the ocean and back to Ram." But Sita gently shook her head. "I am too weak to cross the ocean, dearest Hanuman, and you will not be able to defend yourself against Ravana's army while carrying me. But beyond this, our time of exile nears its end. In abducting me, Ravana has insulted the honor of Ayodhya and brought shame upon his own kingdom. Ram, as the king imminent of Ayodhya, must himself cross the ocean to restore the honor of Ayodhya and bring an end to the tyranny of the demon king." Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.